Hi guys, welcome back to Jamaica in 5. Today we're driving on Hagley Park Road and we're driving from Halfway Tree towards Marcus Garvey Drive. Now Hagley Park Road is one of the busiest roads in Kingston and St. Andrew, and it has a lot of, it's more of a commercial area, a lot of warehouses, a lot of offices, a lot of business places. Now, as you can see, it's a very nice road, a dual carriageway. It was recently renovated and the government did a very good job with it. It takes you from Halfway Tree to Marcus Garvey Drive, which is on the Marcus Garvey area. And the Marcus Garvey Drive area is where you have the wharf located, Kingston Wharf, which is the largest port in Jamaica. So that's where all the containers come in, all the goods, everything. And Halfway Tree is the busiest place in Jamaica. You have up to 250,000 people a day passing through Halfway Tree. So naturally, to get from Halfway Tree to Marcus Garvey Drive or to the port or to downtown Kingston, you would use this road. So this is a very busy road and it has a lot of activity every day, a lot of business places that people would visit. When this road was being renovated, it was a nightmare because of the amount of traffic that used this road, and then the road was being renovated so you couldn't freely drive on it. You had a lot of stops and detours, but nonetheless it was eventually finished, and as you can see, we have no more traffic problems. It's a very nice road, and it definitely has helped with the flow of traffic in the corporate area. Now, naturally, as I just described, to get from Halfway Tree to the wharf to downtown Kingston, you would use this road. So also, to get from Portmore to Spanish Town to Halfway Tree, you would use this road. And Portmore and Spanish Town are the two, they have the largest populations outside of Kingston. So this intersection that we're coming up on, I'll tell you when we reach there, was the busiest intersection in Jamaica. It still is, but an overpass was built because there was so much traffic at this intersection. So the intersection of Hagley Park Road with Spanish Town Road is the busiest intersection in Jamaica. So the government decided to build a double overpass. That's how busy the intersection is. So straight ahead, you can see the overpass, and the top lane, that's the Hagley Park Road overpass, and the lower overpass is Spanish Town Road overpass, and then below that, the regular ground level is the intersection of Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road. So okay, here's the overpass now, and it's a very nice road structure. This is the only double overpass in Jamaica. It was built by China Harbour Engineering Company, and they did an excellent job, and the government did an excellent job also in deciding to build this overpass, and it was built at the right spot, the busiest intersection in Jamaica. So as you can see, you can drive freely, and straight ahead is the wharf. You're going to see the picture with the crane soon. That's Kingston Wharf, and that's the largest wharf in Jamaica, the largest port. All the containers coming in for Kingston come in here. And then now, at the end of this road, you turn left, you go on to Marcus Garvey Drive, and that takes you to downtown Kingston and also to Kingston Wharf. But if you turn right at the end of this road, it takes you into Portmore, and it takes you onto the Portmore Expressway, or the Portmore Causeway as some people call it, and that takes you into Portmore. And Portmore probably has the largest population outside of Kingston. And it's another reason why this road is so busy and why that intersection is so busy. Okay, on the left we just passed an airport. That's the Kingston Aerodrome. Not an airport, it's an aerodrome. Okay, straight ahead, that's the Kingston Wharf. So we're going to turn back around and go back on to Hagley Park Road and drive over the overpass again. So this area where the overpass is also called 3 miles. So this overpass is sometimes referred to as the 3 miles overpass. Okay, on the left where that car just drove, that's where you get to go on the ground level where the roads actually intersect. But we're going on the overpass, so we're just going to go over the intersection. And this road represents the progress that's going on in Jamaica with the road networks. I must say the government is doing an excellent job in fixing up these main roads. As you can see, there are a lot of business places to the left and to the right. Okay, this intersection now is Waltham Park Road. If you turn left or you turn right, you're going to Waltham Park Road. If you turn right, that takes you to back to Spanish Town Road. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.